Another footage here. Now I can get some over here now. Whoa, man. I like that waterfall. Ouch. Damn it. Tornado's coming, buddy. What happened here? You get it from there. I'm in the garage. I have an umbrella. No, I didn't want to go out there. Fuck that. I don't see no lightning though, man. It must be behind the house, man. Where was that? Yo, mama punks. Man. The guys are angry for Chicago, dude. Jesus. Angry at the world, man. He's peeing on us. The guys are peeing. Whoa. What time is it now? Oh, where's the time, bitch? So we're supposed to take shelter, but all it is just rain, dude. Lots of rain. And the rain's coming inside the garage. Oh my God. Oh! Someone shot me with some rain. Right in the gutter, man. Can't go over there. Let me see. Oh no, I can't go over there. Too much garbage on this garage. Let me see, man. What's that? Well, I'm trying to get some lightning, dude, but I never get lightning. Whoa. Let's see. No. Whoa, man. No one's doing the tornado watch. It's pouring bad, big time. I hope our sub pump smack can do it. It's gonna be another damn flood down there, man. Sometimes we have weather like this for 3 days straight. Shit. The windy city, huh? It's a rainy city. And a snowy city. Look at that waterfall. I remember when I used to do my walks, man, in rainy nights without a phone. And there'd be like waterfalls everywhere, like gutter falls with the rain like this. And I'd be thirsty as hell, and I'd be drinking by the waterfalls and put my mouth on it, man. It's pure water, you know. It's actually pure water, man. People say it's not good, but it is. Oh my God. I don't want to get wet from this stuff, dude. Oh my God, it's windy again. Holy shit, that tree's bending over there, man. No way. I hope my garbage can's still... That's... Damn. Oh, these trees are standing still, but that tree's moving around, man. You can't even tell if there's a tornado coming, dude. It's unbelievable. I don't want to get wet, man. It's almost 12. I gotta take a goddamn shower, man. Shit. I think it's enough footage. I don't see the lightning, dude. There is no lightning here, man. It's too much rain. How could you get lightning? I think that's it, man. Let's get the road here. Look at the cars, man. It's so funny. I'm done here, man. I'm done with this shit. You looking at, punk? Damn, these people never sleep, do they? Joe Mama, nature. Yo Mama. I like that waterfall, man. It's so cool. You have anything like that? No. Got shot with rain again. Dang, man. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Watch one of the cars lift up, man, and see ya. I think I'm done. I can't. Should have had video camera all night. Whoa. You're scaring me, man. Look at this crap, dude. This girl has a waterfall in her gutter, man. That looks cool, bro. I want to take the umbrella and go, look at that. Look at that waterfall right there. You see it? There's a waterfall going over there. That's that gutter. Let me get there, man. That's so cool, man. Yeah, it's right here. Right here it's dried, man. Yeah, that's cool. I like the waterfall over there, dude. That's so cool, man. You see the waterfall? Remember, we used to have those things. I used to like them. I used to watch them for like 20 minutes. So I like waterfalls. And it's the closest I've ever been to a waterfall. It's stopping. It's a lot calmer now. It's a lot calmer. I guess I checked it downstairs. I'm done, man. I'm done with this, man. Yeah, it got calmer. It's stopping. I don't think so. Usually this kind of rain lasts for 3 days or something, you know?